Lace fronts, hair weaves. If you wanna get your hair laced, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock and pliers, dreads. I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my low riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that is also how you become one of my low riders. You guys, today I'm doing Microlink extensions on my client. This is her first time getting them done. She usually wears wigs. Every 2 weeks, I make her a different wig. So I wanted her to try something different. So with that being said, I am putting Microlinks on her hair. And as you can see, her hair is long anyway. I'm just giving her the Microlinks with some color to it. And the color is copper. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Sit back, relax, and watch the video. Okay, guys, I gotta apologize because I shampooed, conditioned, and blow dried her hair off camera, and I did start the Microlinks because I didn't have any intentions on recording this, but as one of the YouTubers said, everything is content. So here we go with content, you guys. It doesn't look like it, but I'm taking very small pieces of her hair, and I have the beads on the little hook, and I pull her hair through the hook, and then I slide the bead down the hook, pull the bead up a little bit, then I straighten the hair that's under there. And then after that, I stick the hair up under the bead and then smash it down, well, secure it down with the tool. I forgot what the tool is called, but that's how I do that, and you guys will see that in a few seconds. Okay, you guys, this is the tool that I was telling you about, and this is what the Microlink looks like. It has like a little tip. It's almost like the tip of a shoestring. Place it up under the bead, and then I take the little apparatus and I press it down, and it's in there. And I don't put it too close to the scalp, because if you put it too close to the scalp, it'll be like getting the tightest braid you've ever got in your life. So it looks like it's very close to the scalp, but it isn't. After I finish each section, I like to flat iron that section so that when I'm done, I don't have to separate the hair that's beaded and all that. So it's already done. Basically, once I get in my last section of the microlink, I'm done because all I have to do is flat iron. And all that hair that you saw left out, it serves as the cover up. It's like covering your tracks when you get a weave. It covers up the microlinks. Now I'm a little bit further up her head, and I do it's like a U part, but almost like a V. And I don't take the microlinks all the way to the edge because we need her edges as leave out to cover up the microlinks again in the front and on the sides. And when you're doing this, once you find your rhythm, you know how you want to do it. Like, I prefer to put the beads on first and then just go back in and add the microlinks to the beads and snap it down versus doing one at a time. And when doing this, make sure your partings are, for the microlinks, are super thin. Super, super thin. And that's what I just did. And for some reason, my fingers were not cooperating with me. The hair kept slipping out of my hand. I'm like, wait a minute, how many times am I going to do this? But yeah, on this part, my fingers were not cooperating. But I got it done, you guys. See, here we go. Here we go. Well, I thought, here we go. Told y'all they weren't communicating with me. They weren't cooperating. And another thing, and there's probably going to be another thing after this thing. Do not be afraid to have your clients help you. It saves time. I have my client handing me the microlinks. Okay, guys, see the leave out? That hair down there, I'm taking the braid loose, and that covers all of those micro links. Okay, you guys, I am done. All I have to do is trim up the long pieces of the micro links so that it's even with her hair. And I might even leave it a little bit longer. She wanted it in a high ponytail, but if I had pulled it up in a high ponytail, being that the micro links are new, it would have been a little bit uncomfortable for her. So I showed her that she can wear it in a low ponytail. I also had to show her how the micro links are almost like tracks. You have to make sure that your hair is covering those micro links, because what's the point in not covering them up? But we had very good coverage. She loved it, and that is that. She said hello, you guys. And I know it looks thin, but she's one of the clients that loves for her hair to be thin. She does not like thick hair. And for the most part, she wears her hair in a ponytail all the time. And she likes her ponytail to be thin. I don't know what's up with that ponytail, but that's what she does. Okay, you guys, that is it. I am done. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. And again, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Be safe and stay blessed.